Here we are with 4 living room design tips for you. Number 1. Plan the ideas. You must allocate enough space for moving around. Avoid sacrificing free space in the name of beautification. In that case, you may find the room beautiful for some days, but later you might feel discomfort. By planning, you may avoid redesigning a spacious living room again. Number 2. Light up your room. Lighting plays an important role in creating a perfect living room. It is better to adopt natural light inside the room. Selecting lights and positioning them is important. It will give adequate brightness to the space. Number 3. Choose paint color wisely. The shades you choose for the living room must generate enthusiasm and energy. It should not be dark, too bright or heavy. Choose shades that suit your eyes and make your living room cozy and elegant. It may be light green, blue or a similar color, and make sure the selected color should match the overall arrangement of the room. Number 4. Fix the textures. You can use combination of wood, metal, glass and fabric to create vividness. Rugs can give a different look to the floor. Mix, match and fix the texture intelligently to make a perfect living room. Thank you.